Kick back this Christmas season with our cozy homeway essentials, from stylish lounge suites to quality sleep support. You'll find unbeatable deals on these home updates in our latest catalog until 26 December 2025. Don't miss out on the biggest savings of the season. Shop online or in-store at OK Furniture. While stocks last, T's and C's apply. It is getting powered by Sports Betting. It is the times of CEO. Umdlalo wokugqibela weqela leBafana bebidlala ke nebafana baGhana iBlack Stars. Kodwa ke liqela leGhana lamadoda adlala ngaphakathi ke eGhana. Kumbule into beGhana ke ayikhange ifumane okanye khange ikwazi ukusifaka kwimidlalo ye-African Cup of Nations, bohlulwa kulo group yayo abakwazi ke ukungena. Iteam ke enkulu le-Afrika, iqela lika Kwame Nkrumah, iqela lika Asamoah Gyan, amadoda amakhulu aseGhana, oSemi Kaffour bazayibukela ke ekhaya indebe ye-African Cup of Nations. Yolo nto ke bebengenawo nomdla woba bebhatala imali bebiza abadlali babo abaphesheya bathumele nje intwana apha. Kodwa ke silalile namhlanje i-training game sadlala ke yaphumelela ke iBafana Bafana. Bobzit, ubona kanjani umdlalo?
Mr. Nkosi ngibulise uTKJ.
Yes sir.
Ngibulise legend lapha. Utsolo.
Mr. So
Junior.
Sundowns legend?
Sundowns legend Utsolo.
Yazi ku Sundowns uyi former player ku Sundowns.
Uyi former player. I-legend lePioneer.
Uyi former player ku Sundowns.
No, mara nasiswazini bambizi legend. Yena noJuni.
Malandi Chiefs.
Yeah, bababiza ama-legend.
Ama-legend, Malandi Chiefs. Bashaya ku final. That's the closest they ever got to a trophy in Kingdom of Eswatini.
Yeah.
They lost in the final. Bobzit, it was relaxed. We watched the game, relaxed. Sazi ukuthi we're not going to see too much intensity. Abadlali bayazikhipha, trying to avoid injuries. But can you summarize for us ukuthi what did we see? What did you like about the game?
Yeah. No, Mr. Nko, into nje engayisho ukuthi Bafana iwinile, confidence ikhona kubadlali ukuthi they won nge-1-0. Bazoya bodlala iCAF Champions i-AFCON babuya kuwin ye-friendly neGhana. But uma ungathi uyayibheka i-lineup yeBafana ikutshela into eziningi kakhulu Nkululeko. Le lineup ayilethile.
Are you complaining about it?
I'm not complaining because ikhona izinto engizi-understandayo ngocoach Hugo Broos kule lineup yakhe number 1. Ukhumbula ukuthi uma uletha le lineup kunabadlali ozozama umake sure ukuthi okay ngiyabadinga kule game ngiyoqala. Kokuqala nje enginakile ngoHugo Broos akazange afune ukunikeza opponent indlela yakhe yokudlala. That's one thing I understand that, because remember le game by televise. Le game masidlala so iAngola yiyo manje ebukela iBafana ifuna ukubona ukuthi okay Bafana idlala kanjani, Bafana iprepare kanjani kule game eyodlala nathi. So that is why ngithi mhlambe ngabe le game bebangazanga bay televise Hugo Broos bekangayilethi first team yakhe for ukuthi bajwayelane the way ajwayele ukuthi ubaletha ngakhona mabafuna ukudlala.
Now the question I asked was, I get what you're saying. No one can dispute that. In fact, that was on the mind of Hugo Broos that the opponents are watching us. Now my question is, Tina kudala sidlala, ama qualifier World Cup, ama qualifier AFCON. Surely any team that knows how to do its homework, they know what a Bafana lineup looks like. It's the same game plan anyway. So it would have been nice for you just to put your best 11. The only thing I can give them is that if you put your best 11, if they get injured, it's a problem.
Yeah.
So, because there's nothing Bafana. They don't have brand new ideas. You know, it's going to be the same 11 that in fact, we can count them, and maybe we might miss 1 or 2 players, but we know who's going to play.
Yeah, mhlawumbe kulabantu mhlawumbe bafana neAngola, mhlawumbe mabona aletha abadlali bafana lomathuludi astarta ngabo Obas kule midfield.
Yeah, but confused.
Ngiyacabanga sometimes phela ibhola ifuna ubutsotsi Nkululeko. So ngiyacabanga ngendlela ngimbona ngakhona, because i-first team yakhe thina siyayazi ukuthi kuzodlala bobani. Abanye ngiyacabanga ukuthi ubheke ama-minutes abadlala emathimini wabo, athola ukuthi okay abanawo ama-minutes, but kumele ukuthi ngibenze babe ready, at least bathole lawo ama-minutes ukuthi uma ngabe mhlawumbe kuba nalawo ma-injuries ngenza ama-sub wami babe ready for ukuthi banginikeze something la. So uma ungathi uyayibheka le lineup yakhe wena Mr. Nkiwu, bheka ubeka abadlali la ucabanga abo Apolis, ama starter wakhe abo Apolis abadlali abafana nabo Tebza, abo Ronza, abantu abafesayo ku lineup ya coach Hugo Broos. So kusho kona ukuthi uzama ukuthi naye avoid nalawo ma injuries, because angeke uthumele yonke first 11 yakho ne njengoba sisho abo confetti sababona mazidlala 2010 sidlala i-World Cup bafana ethumela sonke squad sayo because beyazi ukuthi njani sho uma yenza so uyakutshela ukuthi yes nginabo abadlali but kunalabo engafuni ukuthi mhlambe bangathola ama injuries kunala thembele khona
So Lamachite angadlalanga final. So the last game that was played in South Africa, besides the All-Star thing exhibition, there was a final that Pirates played. In that weekend, people couldn't play. It was only Chiefs. They got a special ukuthi no ningadlala Sunday. Which ukuthi some of his players maybe have 2 or 3 weeks without playing. It might help you to give them some game time.
Kulabo badlali labo because kusikhathi bangadlali njengoba usho Nkuleko after le final. So kumele ukuthi at least unikeze abadlali chance because first i-lineup yakhe eAngola unayo already Nkuleko. Hayi ukuthi akase unayo i-lineup eAngola just that manje udlalisa abo badlali because uma ungabheka nangendlela i-combination beyingakhona beyingahlangani ngalendlela. I'm scared nge-center back ye national team. My question is if mhlambi TLB ingathola injury or TLB ingabi khona kule center back ngibona inkinga Nkuleko. It's not like I don't trust badlala bakhona ku national team but ngibona ngathi asikho balance kule center back.
If Umbogazi is not there, we might have a problematic AFCON.
I'm telling you Nkuleko because lama center back ngibona lapha the understanding yalama center back angiboni ukuthi bangakwazi ukudeala nalama opponent because uyabona nje nathi uyibangakhona sometimes even if we build up uma ungabheka ne confidence kubo ngathi ayikho kulama center back so you need abadlali abafana nabombokazi lokho angeke ngikufihle Nkuleko uma ngabe umbokazi angahlala ngeke it's like le midfield yakho if uTebs angeke abe khona lapho kuzoba nenkinga so ispine sibaleke kakhulu if uno goalkeeper it's either uRonza or uChayine then uyeza uba nombokazi uba noTebs then ube nespine esiphilayo i-team nayo
kule nkulumo yakhe naye njengoba ebekamkhuza Umbokazi but in his own weird way. Do you think would it have been better ukuthi amqala just to give him that confidence ukuthi angilwanga nawe ntwana? There was of course a media storm about what I said about you, but because I know I need you in the AFCON, let me just play you in this final game.
Yazi abaxoxeshi bathini bakutshela straight boy ngikuthembile ngifuna uyofesa kule game ngicela sinikeze la bi chance ngifuna ukubona something wena uzongifesela kule game ucedile
unless he did that.
Unless
he did that. Because if he didn't say anything that kid is looking at it and say angidlalanga la
awuyazi Umbokazi
and bekangenela lo
lahle zikhona Umbokazi usho ukuthi uzofesa Nkuleko. I'm telling you so now Hugo ngiyacabanga explainile kulama senior players wakhe la ajwayele ukwaqala ukuthi guys kumele ukuthi ngirotate i-team so that sikwazi ukuthi sinikezana i-chance sijwayelene ukuthi singahlangabezani nenkinga if mhlambe omunye uthola injury njengocoach ukhuluma nabadlali bakho so obvious abadlali abafana nabo aboTebs nabo abombokazi abadlali engisho ngabo ukuthi uzoba start maybe uma ngaba stubborn ngale ndlela ucoach Hugo Bros afuna ukuprove i-point but ngendlela
ngamazi backfire it will backfire if he wants to be stubborn it will backfire because he needs those players
phela ukhumbula ukuthi ezinye izinto noma ngazenza ukuthi zizo backfire kuye but uma sazi ukuthi after World Cup ngiyahamba ezinye izinto angazenza but
6 months is a very long time
plus afuna kudlala World Cup
you need these players and he wants to close his career in World Cup otherwise you happy with the result?
I'm happy with the result especially ngombule Mr Nkewu you know mana abadlali bafana nobombule unabadlali waziyo ukuthi bazokunikeza something ubonile ukuthi beka lokho anokha afuna ukuthatha ama shot on target but uyabona lento ukuthi njengoba ifuna ugcina wayithola and I'm happy for yena man umbule Nkuleko ngomunye umuntu man yazi mangathi ngikhuluma ngomdlali mhlambe ngathi yazi mase ngibiza ngokukhula ngibiza ngalento le because le chance ayithola manje kubafana uyayisebenzisa uyigrabbing ezandla ezu2 abanye abadlali abakwazi ukuthi banikezwe le chance bayisebenzise bayisebenzisa ngakhona so I'm happy ngama results and I'm happy nga some of the players engibona ukuthi bazosinceda njengoba Hugo Bros ngibona azama ukurotate le team ukuthi abadlali babe right because uma ngayisayithini labo Ghana uyabona ukuthi njengoba usho balethi team nje ukuthi no ayihambe yonikeza bafana igames not a team lengathi mhlawumbe ungathi izocompete uma ngabe seyidlala ama game serious Ghana ngala bafana banabo so but I'm happy with the results and I'm happy the way ngibona ngakhona less injuries I hope umdlalo ofana no Apolis ngibona ngathi unenokho la kuleni maybe akube into right Nkuleko because ngibona hlezi phansi bang attend so siyabadinga and ikhumbula ukuthi yes sinabo abadlali ku right ku left winger phela sinabadlali abayi quality kakhulu ku left wing ngapha at least sinomkwana sinomdlalo ofana noNkotha but ku left uno really unomremi nomdlalo ofana no Apolis uyabona ukuthi siphelele Nkuleko but siyamdinga uApolis the way apolice adlala ngakhona siyamdinga ku-first 11 eBafana Bafana.
There you go. Thank you very much, Bob Zid. Yeah, we are wrapping up as well. That is, we are going to start focusing on the African Cup of Nations now. You'll probably just see us at during the African Cup of Nations next week, Monday, because there's no matches really between now and the next 5 or 4 days. So yeah, we enjoyed it for what it was worth. It was not a great game, but we understand why it's not a great game because of these injuries and avoiding that. It is Tiskitivi, Tiski Times, was suspecting.
Shapunjani bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to iDiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Diski TV.